Friends, today we are going to learn SST's first lesson, our national symbols. In that, we are going to learn about which is our national symbol. Let us learn warm-up activity first. Look at the given picture and write what you think it and represent in the space provided. Means these three lines has given here. You want to write about what you are looking in the picture. Means first one, that which is that day, what the students are doing, what about this flag. So you want to write 3 lines about it. Okay. Generally you can say it is of Independence Day or Republic Day's picture. So whatever your idea is about this picture, you should write it. Okay, then let us go ahead. Look ahead. Meaning of national symbols. We are going to learn through that lesson meaning of national symbol and national symbols of India. That 2 points we are going to learn through this lesson. Then national symbols. National symbols represents a country. Yes, because of this is our Indian flag, and that is a representative sign of India. So then each country has its own national symbol. Means every country have its own national symbols. These are observed in the place and objects like government office, and all can identify when that symbol in any country looks, then they can understand which country's symbol it is. That is used for a government office of all country, documents, stamps, currency notes and coins. Means on every government offices that particular symbol is provided, then we can understand that that is a particular place symbol. Suppose we are looking at American flag, then we can understand it is of America. Then about document, if any document we get and there is one symbol, then we can identify particular which office document it is. About stamps also, the particular stamp is declared to the particular place. Currency notes and the coins also, every country has a different type of currency, then we can recognize this currency is for this country. So our Indian currency is different than China, and China's different than again Japanese. So like that, dollar is different, rupee is different, dinar different. So that type of different type of currencies are there in various countries. And let us learn about the national symbols of India. So now we are going to learn about national symbols of India. Okay, the national flag. We are going to learn about the national flag. Now, in that you can look, this is our national flag. National flag is called the Tiranga or a tricolor, and you can look that picture, that is of our Tiranga, and it has a tricolor, means 3 colors. Then the rectangular flag has 3 horizontal bands of the same size. You can look, these 3 bands are there. You see 3 different colors strips are there. Then you can look again, there is one small circular navy blue color circle is there. Then we are going to learn about first this color of saffron. The saffron band at the top symbolizes courage and sacrifice. So saffron band we can look, that is of showing courage, means bravery of Indians, and sacrifice means they die for our nation. Some soldiers and freedom fighter, they sacrifice themselves life for our nation. The white band in the middle symbolizes honesty, purity and peace. So white color is showing honesty of Indian, purity and peace. Our Indian people are like non-violence, and those are honest people. The white indicates it. Then the green band at the bottom represent prosperity. The green band at the last and bottom, that is showing the prosperity, means wealth of Indian people are wealthy because of our country is of green country. It is of first priority is given to farmer, so that is of green country. Then there is a navy, it is present there, and there is a navy blue color in the center with 24 spokes. The 24 spokes are there in the circle. You can look in the middle, there is a circle, and in that circle 24 lines are there, that is a spokes. It represents the Dharma Chakra, that's wheel we can say in Sanskrit, Dharma Chakra, and symbolizes righteousness, and that is showing our Indian people are moral people. Those are always true and non-violence. That is shown by the Dharma Chakra, the navy blue colored wheel. Then the national flag symbolizes our country and our pride. Our national flag is almost symbol of all Indians' pride. We are respecting to it, and it is a top of the respect of our nation. It is hosted on the both government and the private buildings, offices and public places. So when our national day is there, that time we are hosting that for our government, private buildings, and offices and public places, that national flag. It is hosted on national day like Independence Day and Republic Day. We can host this national flag on Independence Day and Republic Day. These two national festivals are there, and that day we are hosting a flag. A specific set of rules are observed when the national flag is hosted. Means we all Indian gather a place, and some rules are there. We are salute our national flag, bowing it, and we are saying national anthems at that day. So there are some rules we are following at that day, and we are showing our respect for our nation. So next point we are looking in the next video. A small question. You know what? You know what? Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkayya, a freedom fighter. So you have to know better. Hmm? Our national flag was designed by the Pingali Venkayya. He was the great freedom fighter. Have a nice day.